So let's move. So that is how, we were talking about how this is responsible in the movement. And then gradually, we were even talking about how a baby develops into the uterus. And as I've told you already, ovaries secretes two, sex hormones, and that are called as estrogen and progesterone. And it controls the development of the female reproductive organs, ovulation, menstruation. All this is responsible because of these hormones, that is estrogens and progesterones. And then, even the age limit, I told you, it begins at the age of 10 to 12 years and ends at the age of 45 to 50 years. Now, and how what is chorion? So if you see, the chorion is called as an outer membrane that is surrounding the embryo. So chorion say, but baby is getting its food. So this finger-like projections, that grows from the surface of the chorion, that enters through the soft tissue into the uterus. You can see that how it is getting connected with the baby's umbilical cord. And this pool of rapidly moving blood from this finger-like projections moves inside. This uterine tissue is made up of a substance called placenta. So placenta is actually the place where the baby is receiving its food, and then a tissue is formed by the cells with the embryo. Embryo is the baby that is developing, and within 12 weeks of pregnancy, it becomes an important structure for the nourishment of the embryo. So the embryo starts developing into a adult baby. Under normal conditions, there is a direct blood flow between mother and young ones. Through the blood only carries the nutrition to the baby. And the blood system of two is separated by a thin membrane that is made up of the cells. And this allows the exchange of gases. It takes oxygen in and gives out carbon dioxide, and all the waste materials, nutrients, everything is excreted on. Now, what is amnion? If you see this amnion, it is an embryonic membrane that is growing around the uterus. And the cavity of within the amnion, it is filled with the fluid called amniotic fluid. And this fluid is also very important for the movement of the baby, and it keeps it all moist, and it protects baby from the internal injury. As you have seen, the cerebrospinal fluids in brain, and all these fluids, and in the heart chambers are also surrounded. The chambers are filled with, so is this amniotic fluid that helps, so it helps the baby from not getting any jerks or injuries. So these are all the parts of the allantois is the last of the four membranes to form, which originates from the digestive canal of the embryo. So we are saying the digestive canal, most of the time, have you seen, anybody has? Yes, Aisha, please read all parts of it, and you have the activity given to you is, you do is to draw and label the parts and post it in the group. Aisha, are you reading?
Yes. Maternal uterine tissue,
Good.
chorion, chorionic cavity, amniotic cavity, allantois, yolk sac.
Allantois, yolk sac. Very good. Alina?
Yes, ma'am. Maternal uterine tissues, chlorine, chlorinic
Chorion.
activity,
Chorionic
chorion
activity.
activity, amniotic cavity,
Amniotic.
amniotic cavity, allantois, yolk sac.
Okay. So please take a picture of it and draw this and post it. This will be the today's activity, how much you all have understood. So tomorrow we'll continue from here. Okay.
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 So please go through the videos and so that you will not have any confusion tomorrow. If you have anything, we'll get it clarified before we start the class.
Okay, ma'am.
So take care. Allah Hafiz.